Hi everyone, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. Today I'm going to discuss different currency pairs for the upcoming week starting from Monday 17th April 2023 and the week will end on Friday 21st April 2023. So let's see. I will be discussing different currency pairs, and definitely, if you follow the plans along with me, you can learn my strategy very, very easily. Not only learn the strategy, but you will be able to practice it. So let's see what we get today. Euro US dollar is right here in front of me, and let's see. I made a video, even I uploaded a video on euro US dollar. So let's discuss euro US dollar first of all. And right now I am on the weekly time frame because all of you know weekly is something that can give us a very, very nice uh, analysis or prediction for the future. So just like in the previous videos, there was a support zone with us and it was actually broken right here. Let's see that on the daily. Yes, a new story started from right here, if you see. And one thing, I get a question and I want to answer you that, and that is most of you have a problem identifying the impulse legs on time, right? Because if you identify an impulse leg, it can just give you one losing trade if you are a very, very if you let's say here you have identified this trade, and obviously like this was a losing trade to me, a sell from here, it just gave like 320 pips. So it was a losing trade because the proper take profit for this particular trade was right here. So one person asked me that what if we lose a trade. Well, according to my strategy, even if you lose one trade, it will give you several other profitable trades, right? So just like it was giving you 320 pips or 350 pips, that I assume we were trying to get 600 pips from this one. So if you if it stops you out at the break even, so that's not a very big problem, right? And obviously, when we have got this breakout right here, let me show you. These are very, very simple things, but I'm not sure why people or the traders don't understand this concept. See, very nice breakout. Now, most of the traders in such situations do what? They say, okay, this is now a break in and it will continue towards 0.93293. But my friends, this is not the case. Once we get a breakout, not just from this 61, but from right here as well. So if you see on the price, it was something like this. Okay, let me show you this. See, this one and this one, and on the RSI it is something like this. So it's kind of like a new concept for you as well, right? See, this is like when we got this thing, what questions pop up in your mind? Obviously at this stage you will say that okay, euro has broken a key level and now at the retracement we are going to take a buy trade. So let me change the color of this one first. No. Okay. No, I want to change this one. See, so this is 61.8% retracement. It's going up. So once it break above, point C was considered to be right here at this particular stage. But when you got a break above, at this stage what you could do is, and what I usually do is, that okay, we have got a breakout. Now at this stage, let me tell you one more thing. At this stage, when the price is going up, up, you don't have to do anything. But when it start to come back down, at this stage, what you need to do is just grab Fibonacci and place your buy trade. So now just count the number of pips. See, this is like one ABCD pattern. See, this is another one right here. It got completed on this candle, but there is one more technical thing that I want to discuss, and that is, no doubt we took this much 597 pips of profit, right? But what happened right here is, this place was supposed to be for a sell. Just have a look at this key resistance level right here, key ABCD pattern right here. Let me complete this pattern for you. It started from here like this. It gave a correction like this. This is the buy trade. So all of those traders who were following this story from right here have made a lot of profits. What's so bad if you lose the last trade, right? So this much take profit, and what happened is, it also gave a close above. So again, same thing like here. When a close above, what we do, like obviously our buy trade which we took from here got closed right here. What we could do is, either we could move the stop to break even and let it go, or once it gave this breakout, we are now out of the market. Just wait for the new story. Now this is a new story point for us. Why? Because we have got a breakout. When it gave a breakout, it was going up, you tell yourself that okay, I'm not going to do anything. When it was coming back down, that was the place to look for buy opportunities and see from where these bulls took over the market, these people. But in such situation, I think this is just 38.2% retracement, so I don't trade 32.8% retracement. Even we have got this double top up there, if you see. So for day trading, it was a good place, but still I don't consider it for taking. And when we got this breakout and when we got this confirmation, then this whole rally was ours. So this is a different type of trade, right? Followed by this Fibonacci and this thing. Very slowly they took the market further up. Just have a look at it. An exact bounce from 61.8. So if you could wait right here, you could get a very nice 560 pips another trade. You could get this one on the retest, but retests are not part of the episode or this session today. So another one. Now the next time, now let me delete these things and let's see. This story started from here, right? The next time, when this was an impulsive wave, the initial sign, and that was 61.8% retracement. See, those bulls who took 600 pips from right here and some 600 pips from right here, what's so bad if they like lose this trade? Stop is at 1.04510 and this trade is still active. Okay, it went down. Stop was at 1. Like below this point A. We have got this breakout, but once let me tell you one thing. Once you get this break below from 61.8, make your mind for a losing trade. Okay, you will be so lucky enough if you can get it, but make your mind. Don't play with your stop losses. Then once you set your stop loss, let it be there. Okay, so still we are lucky enough, we are holding that trade, and 366 pips it is up till now so far. Now the main story, shall we keep this trade open or not, or what should we do uh, in the upcoming week as far as the euro dollar is concerned? Let's switch down to the H4. I have discussed this in the previous video. When it was starting to come back down, we were already ready to take a buy at 61.8. We missed it. Not a very big problem. It's okay. This is Forex. We have to lose trades. We have to miss trades. So not a very big deal. But anyways, that's not the... I have discussed this concept previously. Here a double top, but I'm not going to discuss double tops today. I'm just concerned about this buy trade we took from right here, which is around 300 pips up at the moment. So technically, if we see on the daily, we have got a nice retest. Now there is also a possibility that the market will be coming back down. So for the fresh traders, let's see what you can do. Obviously is this is now an impulsive wave, and let's see, market is going down till 61.8% retracement for around 320 pips, even more than that, because if it closes below this 61.8% retracement, market will be coming back down further because it has gone so much up. Now another concept, and that was you have to watch my previous video. There is an ABCD pattern completion right here, and if it completes, then obviously it will be completing near 1.13106. Very simple, guys. Very simple, not very rocket science. Just this, then a pullback, and even this pullback was tradable as well. See how much nicely it fell down. But let's say we don't trade pullback, we just want to be into the trends. See, what's difficult in this? Nothing, right? Even this breakout, if you see right here, a nice candle that break above. So it's going down till 1.07, and definitely I will be taking buy trade at 1.0753. And let's see if that H4 trade will be safe if this happens, or if this occurs. Since where was the stop loss? Seems like I have lost that area. Here it is. So let's see if it will be going okay or not. 61 is right here. Yes, still this trade will be safe. Okay, this trade will be safe, and it's going to be a very nice buy opportunity. This ABCD is going to complete up there near 1.13, and we have to double check it, because at the current price, if the market go down, let's see where this ABCD pattern will complete. This is now double checked, clearly showing signs of a bullish wave till 1.13098. So my friends, this is very simple, and you have to understand these concepts. Now move on to the pound dollar. Where is the time frame? Seems like my computer is again freezing up, but let's see. Okay, just give me one moment. Same is the case on pound dollar, just like I have discussed it previously. This is the resistance we have, and these bulls have to push the market up, right? But I'm not saying they will completely take the market up. Just like in my previous episodes, what I have told you, it's going up. For now, I'm considering it till 1.28090, but later let's see what else we can get from there. Move on to the daily and let's see. Well, a very nice drop on the daily on the H4. Let's see if there is any sort of story. See, this is full of Fibonacci. See Fibonacci and 325 pips. Then from here, then from here. I'm not sure why you guys cannot trade it, but I have one guess, and that is because you always open very big lots. So if you, let's say you have an account of $50,000 and you take a trade which stop loss will be just $20,000, so that doesn't make sense. Or if you have $1,000 in your account and you take a trade, if it hits the stop loss, 800 of the dollars will be gone. So in such trades opportunity, obviously you will not be able to follow any strategy. Believe me, you cannot follow any strategy unless you properly manage your risk. If you go to my channel, I have a lot of videos on risk management, and I have plans that I will be discussing them in further details, because you know these to you it may seems like just candles, right? But to me they seems like these are people, okay, working in this industry for almost like 8 years now. I can identify these people and their intentions. I know where they are taking the markets, either up or down. The question is, we have to catch the trades, and for that we have to understand it, and for that to understand it we have to use trends. So at the moment on the pound dollar, if we see, a little bit of a good range but with false breakouts, which means what the market makers are going to do is they are trying to trap the bulls. No doubt they will be pushing the market further up to the said level that I discussed. They will be pushing it till there, but they want to take profits from the people. Let's say I want to take a trade right here, and my target is around 329 pips. So obviously my stop will be right here, but most people, they have very tight stop losses, so they are out of the market. When they are out of the market, they push the market further up. Then they have created a sort of a double top, but this is not a double top, a fake breakout. So seems like they, like different hedge funds, they are giving signals to one another that okay, this time we gave a breakout right here, next time we are going to pick price from right here and you give this false breakout up there. And if we see this one, still it seems very nicely bullish to me, this one. And if you remember, this trade I have predicted it, I gave you this 135 pips of trade last week. So pound dollar still going up, and I will add more positions if market drop till 1.21, because I see if these bulls push the market down, let's say, I want to give you the early sign, okay? If you can get a break below from this level, from here till here, 69 pips you can easily make. Okay, you can easily generate this much profit, 69 pips. Next week I will ask you, did you made it or not? If you get a close below, then again a 59 pips. And if you get a close below this, then again 84 pips. So see, like they are pushing the market up, but those market makers which want to push the market down, you have to trade along with them in order to get, let's say they are they are making $100,000 of profits from one trade. Even if you make 1% of it, still that's more than enough. So you need some equity, obviously, right? This is the dollar yen, and let's see, dollar yen. Did you got this trade from 132.244? I have discussed it 160 pips and seems like it's going further up. But this 150, 160 pips, if you have got it, and I have analyzed it in my previous episodes, and if you see this ABCD pattern is going to complete right here, this is going to complete right here, so you can just leave the market at 134.75 if your lot is in your control. So watch my previous video for the dollar yen. Gold US dollar, just like I have told you, it's going to drop, and just see a drop of 621 pips. My friends, if you are not going to create this much profit, I cannot do anything about it. But obviously there is something that I want to tell you, and that is, if you want to add fresh trades, you have to wait till 61.8% retracement. Now here the dollar yen is showing up signs, and gold is showing down signs, and I have predicted this. I gave you this particular trade setup. So if you can trade it from 1898, even I have discussed 1892 zones as well. So market will be clearly a little bit of going up, but ultimately it has to go down till 1898, and a very nice around 1500 pips worth of move, and after that I will be entering as a buyer. So let's see if that give me enough profits or not. But at the moment, if it happens, I think that will be super nice. Let's see if I can get this particular trade. For the sell side, if you want to trade it, obviously with Fibonacci, you can trade both ways. I will recommend to wait for this breakout, and any amount of pips you can create right here. This is a whole range of 400 pips. So let's say if you can create 200, if you can create 100, that will be very easy. And usually when I discuss it with my clients, I gave them this trade and I follow it along with them. So on WhatsApp, obviously. So that's it. Due to Ramadan, I may not be able to take further clients, but you can book your seats after Eid, our festival holidays. So I will be taking a fresh batch, and what you can get from my channel is, obviously you will become a master of forex trading. You want to, most of the traders tell me, we want to become profitable. Well, if you want to become profitable, you can do that with any strategy, but if you specifically use my strategy, you will be making more and more profit. But obviously for that you have to uh, get the sessions, and that will be a very nice uh, time we will spend together. So this was a weekly forex forecast. I hope it will help you. I will be updating you about these setups during the week, and those of you who are celebrating Eid, from my side, very happy Eid holidays and Eid festival to all of you. And let's see, before the during the Ramadan, still we have like 4 or 5 days, so I will be actively following these setups. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section down below, and if you want to book your seat, you can just pay in advance, and right after Eid, from the next coming Monday, we will be starting fresh batches of courses. So thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe the channel if you have not already, and give me your feedback in the form of comments in the comment section down below. I will see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.